Alright guys, I had a rear turn signal go out in my Jeep Grand Cherokee. So for a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, very simple. We've got our bulbs, we've got a pry. It's a panel popper, but it works. And let's get into it. I'm gonna set you up right here. You're gonna see these two notches, one here, one right there. We're just gonna pull those, pop this out, get you set up. It don't take a lot to do it. Get in there, pull it. You can do it with a screwdriver. I find it easier to do it with the panel popper. Don't lose them. Pull her out just a little bit. Twist a quarter turn right here. Pull that out. Pop the new one in. Get it lined up just right. Twist it back in. Make sure you're not smashing on those. The wiring. We've got two holes on this side. We're just gonna line up, as if I can't see that. Right there, right there. We gotta line up our dibbers here. And then slide it right back on. Pop back in, put both of those in there, like so, and set. Let's check her out. She's working. And there you have it. Simple as a 2-minute job. Not even a 2-minute, 1-minute job once you got everything corrected and got everything you need. Thank you.